Hello everyone, welcome to Code Your Dreams. In this video, we'll be discussing about programming fundamentals like what is programming, what is a programming language, what is a binary language, and what is a compiler, what work a compiler does. So these are very basic questions. Many of you might have a good idea about these concepts, but there are many people, many beginners who don't know about these concepts. So we will clearly discuss about these questions in our today's video. So stay tuned till the end to understand everything, and if you are new to my channel, then make sure you subscribe it and hit the bell icon for further notifications. You can also follow us on Instagram. The link is given in the description. So let's start our today's video. So the first question we have is, what is programming? So the definition of programming goes this way. Programming is the process of giving a set of instructions to the computer to perform a specific task. So let's divide this definition in three parts to understand more clearly. So programming is a process. What process? Programming is a process of giving a set of instructions. Now what these instructions will do? These instructions will tell the computer to perform a specific task. I hope this definition is clear. Like, programming is a process of giving a set of instructions, and these instructions will tell the computer to perform a specific task. So this was the definition of programming. I hope you understood the meaning too. To explain more clearly, let's take an example. So let's say that I have a task of adding two numbers. I want my computer to add two numbers and give me the output. So this is the task that I want my computer to do. So for this, I need to write a set of instructions. I need to give instructions to my computer to perform addition of two numbers. Giving instructions, which means I need to communicate with my computer. Now, how we communicate with our friends? We communicate using various languages like English. Now I am using English language to communicate with you people. So we use various languages like Marathi, English, Hindi. But do you think the computer will understand these languages? No. Then what language does computer understand? A computer understands only binary language. Binary language, which is also known as machine language, is represented in the form of zeros and ones. So in binary language, everything is written in the form of zeros and ones, and this is the language that computer understands. Like I said, we have various languages like Hindi, English to communicate with our friends. We also have many programming languages that we can use to code or to give instructions to the computer. Like we have C programming, Java, Python, C++, and there are many more languages that we can use to code or to give instructions to the computer. So now you also know what is a programming language. The code which is written using a programming language is known as source code. So we need to convert this source code into binary code because a machine understands only binary language. But how do you think we will be able to convert this source code into binary language? It is possible with the help of a compiler. A compiler is used to translate the entire source code into binary language or machine language. Let's see how this happens. So let's take a source code. Let's say we have a source code of adding two numbers, and with the help of compiler, this source code is converted into binary code, which is in the form of zeros and ones. So the compiler does the work of translating the entire source code into machine understandable language, that is binary code. And this binary code is taken as input by the computer, and the computer will perform some operations and will give us the output. I hope you understood the complete process. So now we know what is programming, what is programming language, what is binary language, what is a compiler, and what work a compiler does. I hope you found this video helpful to you. If yes, do like the video and share it among your friends. And also, if you are new to my channel, then make sure you subscribe it. You can also follow us on Instagram. The link is given in the description below. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.